Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this all-round wig. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So I'm using a mesh cap for this tutorial, and you can use any wig cap of your choice. So I'm just positioning it down and then using my T-pins to pin it in place. So I'm going to draw out all the lines that I will be placing the track, just to make it a little bit easy for you guys to understand. So first I made this circle close to the front, not in the middle, because my customer, she doesn't want the fringe to be too thick. She wants it a bit thin, so I decided to make the circle close to the front a little bit. So right now I'm just drawing out other lines in the back, and I'm using a metallic silver pen to draw out the lines. If you don't have the metallic silver pen, you can use a chalk or an erasable marker.
It's a bad man thing. See, I'm a jar to I'm a jar say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jar to I'm a jar say we get to bed.
So I'm done drawing out the lines, and this is what it looks like. So the hair that I'll be using for today's video is from my collection. This is Fancy Coil, and I'm using 3 bundles of 10 inches. So this client or customer, she actually bought the same hair before, but in a longer length. So she decided to buy the shorter one because of the nature of her job, because she wanted to be able to wear the hair to work like every day. So like I said, I'm using 3 bundles of 10 inches. So right now I'm just sewing the hair to the lines that I drew, and I'm going to follow those lines till I get to the top before I make a closure for this hair. Yes guys, we're actually going to make a closure for the hair, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And like I said before, this hair is from my collection, and it's a double drawn hair. So double drawn hair means the shorter hair are removed and replaced with longer hair, which makes the hair full from top to bottom, and the ends are not scanty. As you can see, I did not have to cut out any hair from the bottom to make it look full. That's just how the ends are. If you want to see the beauty of the hair, you will have to wash it, because the beauty of the hair comes out when you wash it. The hair actually loves moisture, and it takes moisture very well, and it's one of the most beautiful coil that I have ever seen. So every details of the hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested.
By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing all the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing all the.
So guys, because I doubled the tracks, and now that I'm about to fold it to the next line, if I decide to fold both tracks together, it's not going to lay flat. It will make that part bulky. So what I did was to sew one of the track, and you guys see that I actually use pin to pin one down on the line already. So this other one, I'm going to sew it, and then I'll flip it to the other one to connect with the one that I pinned down. I don't even know if I make it sense. Like, oh my god, my explanation is all over the place, but I believe you guys will understand what I'm talking about.
See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. Inna me yard, them a throw the party. Inna me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a boss inna the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. Inna the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. Inna the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby, make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, oh Lord of His mercy. Big use, make them know. Bad man. Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.
Fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
It's VQs.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl, I come in on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail.
Fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
Nobody said we are on dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl, system warning. Alright, Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste time. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come to sing so, whine it for me thing so. I now.
So once I got all the way to the top where I drew the first circle, I'm going to stop and cut off the rest of the track, which I'm going to be using to make the closure.
Bad man, they want to say. She not bad man, they want to fail.
Dada, fire can't cool me up on fire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire, we are on dire.
It's feet kills.
Original Batman.
Standard.
So guys, I've already attached my thread to the track. What I'm going to be doing now is folding and sewing it with the thread. Folding and sew, fold and sew. That way the ones that are folded will not come off. So I'll keep doing that till I get what I believe is enough to cover the circle in the middle of the cap. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing.
It's feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place.
So once I've gotten the desired amount that I want for the closure, I'm going to flip it over and look for this middle. You're going to look for the middle, and then you're going to use your hot flat iron to press it down. That way the tracks will be flat. So you're going to do it as flat as possible. So once that is done, you have the closure looking like this, and then you're going to position it onto that circle and then use your needle and thread to sew around the tracks like I'll be doing in this video.
You are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I want, say she give me dirty one.
So once you are done sewing, it should look like this. As you can see, the closure is very secured. It's not going anywhere. I went ahead and I washed the hair, and you can see this is what the closure is looking like. It is super neat and beautiful. So here's my client. This is the very hair that she bought before, the same hair in 14 inches and with a lace closure. So this time around, this is the one that she went for, and every details of this hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And that will be it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Man, I grind, say she give me dirty one, say. Tell them I want it, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man, a bad man, a bossing at the thing so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the pillow wine.